Want to make animations like this in PowerPoint? Stay with me, I'll show you. First, insert an image and then select a rectangle shape. Draw the rectangle over the entire slide. After that, remove the outline and add color. Now insert a text box and add your text. Select the rectangle along with the text, and from Shape Format option, combine them. Now you can paste a flower or leaves if you want, and place them like this. After that, duplicate the slide and stay on the first slide. Select all the flowers and make them smaller. At this point, you can leave the flower as it is, which looks perfectly fine, or if you want, you can reduce the transparency. Now go to the second slide and slightly increase the size of the image. After that, you can paste a PNG like this on both the slides. Just make sure that it is only visible in the second slide. Lastly, apply the morph transition and you're done. Good luck with this, and hit that follow button so you don't miss any tutorials like this one.